Hello everyone, and happy new year to all my subscribers. I want to welcome you to another great year together. So glad that we made it this far, and we'll do a lot of great things this year. There are a lot in store for everyone that has subscribed to our channel. There will be a lot of new tutorials and new training coming up. So we are very happy for the year that is just starting, and everyone who has wished us happy new year and merry Christmas. We want to say we appreciate you all. We appreciate you, and those who subscribe, we appreciate you. This is a wonderful year. And also a very big thank you to those who have been purchasing our online course, those that have emailed us and they have purchased, and those who are still making inquiry. We appreciate you. Those who subscribe to this channel, we greatly appreciate you, and those who are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe. We got a lot of comments and questions from our various subscribers. We want to say we appreciate every one of you who have been part of this channel. You are the reason why we are putting out videos like this. We got a subscriber which says by name Nwosu Ferdinand. Nwosu Ferdinand, you are saying you can't wait to have the video. Thank you, sir. The videos are out. Please send us an email. I'll put the means of getting the video in the description bar. So if you are interested, send us an email and we'll tell you how you can get this course across to you. We want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been an encouragement to us this period. We say we thank you very much, very much. We have another subscriber, Joshua Designer. Joshua Designer, you didn't tell us where you are commenting from. You said, well done, my name Mr. Konyedi. Thank you for your diligence. I learned to appreciate this kind of effort after I started teaching structural engineering on my channel. God bless you. Joshua, we say thank you for that. We appreciate you. Keep the good work. Whatever you are doing, just keep pushing it one video at a time. Before you know, it becomes easier for you to push out more of your training. We appreciate a co-laborer in this field of structural engineering design. We want to appreciate you all. Caleb Adelaja, you didn't tell us where you are commenting from. You said, how can I get the drawing files you use? I think I place a link on the description where you can click and access will be granted to you to get the file. I think there's a link there. Check properly. There should be a link there to access the file. We have Mangad Maro. You didn't tell us where you are commenting from. You said, can you make a video complete design with ACI 318-19 in protastructure? ACI code is America Concrete Institute. And funny enough, prota does not have that code. Prota does not have that code. So I don't know. If you have the code, you can send it. I'll place my email at the description. Send the code down. Let me go through and see if there's anything we can do, if there's any similarities between ACI code and the British standard code, so that we can just factor that into our design in Prota. But Prota does not have that. It's mainly for British standard and the rest. So please, you can email me. My email will be at the description. Let me know if you have the code. Send it over. Let me go through and see how we can marry it with the British standard code. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, so that when we put up our next video, you will be notified quickly. That's a good one. We have Hassan Elia. You say good job. Thank you, Hassan Elia. We appreciate you very much. Also we have Fagbaro Adewumi. You didn't tell us the state in Nigeria you are commenting from. You say thank you so much for the tutorial. We appreciate you, sir. We appreciate you. That is a great encouragement. And there's a time this year we'll be doing a lot of comparison of two softwares to see which is better. So today we'll be talking about the similarities or the difference between Prota 2021 and Prota 2018. Prota 2021 and Prota 2018. If you look carefully, this is Prota 2021 interface. This is how it looks. Open project or new project. This is how the interface is. But if you come here, this is how Prota interface 2018 is, which is still similar. This new project here is this new project here. This is new project. Open project, these are the various projects that you've done. If you want to open any of them, you just click and you open. So this is this part, which is what is here. This other part you are seeing is here, recent project. This is the recent project. So there are some similarities and some differences. So this is what we'll be discussing about. So if we say new project, we click on new project. We can now name you say this is the project code. New project, we say BS8110. We can say testing. Same issue on the name. Now if you click on this, it gives you this project code, which is the name. Project code, which is this. You can see say testing. It does not, there's no space, so you just put dash. You can put -1. Same thing, we say -1 here. So we say we've placed BS8110 on this new project. Once you click, after you click, that's when this one comes up. But immediately you click on Prota 2021, everything here comes up. So with this, we say this and we say import. Whereas in Prota 2021 there's no import. You just said okay. We say import here. It will open up. It will open. Yeah, it will open up. Yeah, it has opened up. So while here you just say okay. Okay. Okay, so we are here. This is the interface. This, if you look at them, similar pattern. You are seeing new project, folder, save, and this is save. This is where they place all these ones. Quick start, material, settings, library. These are the different arrangements. In terms of this is as is view. They put reports, detail here, and this is this. This is this. This is this. So these are the different ways these are alike, but you need to understand something. You need to understand something here, so that if we want to do, in Prota, the first thing you do is your grid line, but in looking at Prota 2021 you won't find any grid line here. But with this, let's say we are doing octagonal, but in Prota 2021 you come to modeling, whereas in 2018 it's just open for you to see. Come to modeling. When you click on modeling, you see column, which is column, wall, which is wall, beam, which is beam, slab, which is slab, rib, strip, slab, strip. Then you have all this here, which is same. Then on coming to this grid, this is where you see your grid lines and your octagonal. So you take on your octagonal, you click same pattern as this, you can say okay, and it comes here. While here we do this, we say okay. Good. We can choose here as 230 by 230, 230 by 230. This, please check our previous video how we input the columns and the rest, but this we are just doing it very quickly. You click on this and you make it 230 by 230. You can either click 111 or you alight, hold down and you click, so it automatically fix the columns. Good. The columns will be automatically fixed. We are still on model. Come back to model, we say beam. We come to beam, we say 230 by 450. You can do this. this is what you do. Okay, good. Let's come to 2022, come to bin, same thing, 230 by 450, and we click, we click, we click, we click, 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 we click. Good. We're done with this. We're done with this. So next we come to slab. Click on slab. Slab, we say 150. We come to load. We say room. We say 1.5, and we click on that. We come here, modeling, we come to slab, same process, 150, load, same, let's say 150. So the difference here, I think what Prota is doing now in 2021, in 2018 there's nothing like roof load, but in 2021 there's roof load, there's snow load, there's rain load. So this is a new improvement on 2018. If you look at here, there's only imposed loads but no roof loads. That's one limitation of 2018 is a limitation, but here they took care of it. So when you are working with load, you can add your roof load, so is a new improvement on that. So we've gotten that. Let's add to, good, you can close. So once you've done this, you know, the next thing to do is for us to go to building setout, insert story with, let's say 2. We say 2. Please check our previous videos for you to understand what we are trying to do. Please check the previous video. I won't really have time to go through it one after the other. Please check the previous video. So you go to building setout. You have different, the 2021 is not like this where you just click and you see all those things. What you do is you come to story, then you see story operations, you click, you see select, you see insert, remove, delete, generate. This is where you click insert. We now make it 2. You say okay, you say yes, continue. We have this. We come here. So with this, we can go back to here. We say generate, and we click this. We uncheck all this. Please check our previous video. I won't be explaining. Please check the previous video that we have done before. Please check it. So we have this here, and we can still come to this part I will say generate. We are moving to this, you uncheck all these other ones, you uncheck, then we say okay, complete. Okay, we close. So we have generated this, we have generated this. What we can do, we can go to view, right click, and we do 3D. Same process, we come here, 3D, give it some time, and this is it. It's more okay, similar, yep. Okay, so but the difference here is once you make it 3D, you can easily just change tab with this. So these are some new additions that they've done on Prota. These are some of the new additions. Okay, you can go back and turn it to, yeah, okay. With this we can come here and we edit beam wall load, same process. We will not be going all through detail explaining. Please check our previous videos where we have done something like this. Check our previous videos. Edit wall load, same process. Same is it. So we can say copy wall load, highlight, right click, and we say paste. Say yes. Okay, we did a mistake here. This should be delete. Yes, you can copy this, copy, and we paste. Come to this and we repeat the pattern. Edit, so copy, paste. So with this we have done everything here. We can now go to analysis. We come to building analysis, building analysis. Building analysis. So if you look carefully, you can come to this part. You say analysis, building analysis. It takes time to, so it comes up, you click on load combination, you follow load generator, you say yes, okay, you say okay, close. Same thing here, come to this part, you see all this loads, and you say okay. Let me do this again. If you click on this is what appear. You click on your load combination. If you look here, this is where it comes up, create unfactored load. You say yes, and you say okay. This is what it will do. Same process. You say okay, you can close your work. Same process, we come here, we do this load decomposition. Same process, bash, and you say okay. Yep, give it some time. Give it some time. Say okay, and you close. Apply to Obin. Same process here. But if you look carefully here, if you look carefully here, you won't find this load decomposition by FE. What you find is FE floor analysis. They've combined both of them in this. So if you click this is what comes out like this. If you click on this, this is what comes out. So what you need do here is, most time our stiffness factor, we try to change our stiffness. What we need do is to change our stiffness factor. Please check the previous video. We will not be analyzing everything. So with that, if you either click floor mesh analysis, or you can do in batches, which is this way, to change this. Now that we've changed the factor, stiffness factor for slab is 0.25. Okay, stiffness factor for slab is 0.25. For slab, for beam and the rest is 0.33. This is not the video where I will be explaining. Please, you can look it up. You say okay, allow it to run. So it is running, so we can still do same here. We can still do same here, which is 0.25, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. I say okay. Same process. So this is, you say okay, we've done that. We can close. You say okay, continue. So if you look at this, it has run the analysis. You can close. Same thing with this, you can close. So this is how you do that. So after the analysis, we'll come to building again. Building analysis. Okay, what we do is we go back to analysis, building analysis. Same thing here, building analysis. Then you edit material, which we've done. Just check our previous video. We will not be explaining all that. Then come to analysis. Same thing, analysis. If you come to analysis and you click on this building analysis, this is what we pop, whereas the old one, everything is there. So once you say run analysis or start, it runs your analysis. Please, either you send an email for the complete update on our online course. It's just 5,000 naira, very discounted price, just 5,000 naira, and you still have a privilege of having a one-on-one discussion with me after you've gone through the online course, or you check our previous videos for a detailed explanation. You say okay, it has completed. You say okay, you close. We can now close this. You close. So the beautiful thing about 2021 prota, each level you do, this is where we are. We did a 3D, it gives it on its own platform. The model analysis is on its own. This one beautiful thing, whereas on this other part you have to go to those parts: post analysis, model analysis. This is, you have to go there by yourself, and it takes everything. So until you finish this before you can move on. So these are some of the new improvements on prota. So we've done all this. What we need to do now is either we come to concrete and we see what we have here. This is it for 2018. This is where we check our our columns, and we check our beams here, story beams. This is where we check our story beams, and here to check it here, we were here before. You come to design, you come to reinforced concrete, click on column. So column is showing us that they are not sufficient. Why? Because it's picking Y12. No, that is not what we want. Prior to this time, we have somebody asking some questions, asking some question. He said, Amzat Mohammed, you didn't tell us where you are calling, you are chatting from. He said, thank you so much, sir. Under the same explanation on links insufficient, how can we correct the S bar top and bottom of it if it's showing red? So same thing, if this thing is showing red, it means either the size, this for column, the size is not enough, or the reinforcement is not enough. So we can either change it here. Once you say okay, then you can either change it here, or we say interactive. Let's say okay. So if it's not if this thing is showing red before, you just click on column design bash mode, reselect all bars. Once it runs it automatically selects all bars, but still this is not time for me to be explaining. Please check our previous video or make the purchase. Same thing here. So same thing is the same. Either you check on your beam, same process. You can either manually design. No, you want to say okay, wow, this it automatically upgrades your bars. Nice. You can see it has changed it. Or if you don't want to do them one after the other, just say bash and you say select or calculate. It will do the magic. This is it. So this is wonderful. Very nice. Okay, we're done with this. So we can now say let's go to the foundation, and we can call it a day here. Go to foundation, yeah, right click, you say insert pad footing, you say insert, give it some time. Same process, right click, this one say insert pad days, you say okay. You can either change it. Please check, I won't be explaining much. Please go back to our videos. Say calculate. This is 1 everything. We can say yes and okay, and we have this here. We say so once you click that, this is what appears. This is the eccentricity, different eccentricity of your part, but we are not taking any eccentricity. So the difference, okay, let's say we use 350. Why is it not giving us 350? Okay, Okay, design successfully. If you look carefully, this is giving us 1.1, but this is giving us 1. Let's see. Delete this. We say right click, insert. Let's make this 400. So you see it. This is the difference. This is it. We can now say we say okay. So this is how you do your design comparison. So it's all about preference, but 2021 prota is quite good, quite good. So the final one, which I won't be doing, is exporting to prota detail. If you come to concrete, click concrete, and you click on prota detail, it will go there. But for 2021, click on drawing, you see prota detail, click on prota detail, and it automatically sends them to prota detail. So I will stop here. This is our comparison. Whatever one you have, you can look at it and familiarize yourself. Both are very good, but 2021 is a new improvement. So if you benefited from this lecture and you are here to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. That is the only way you can tell us that you appreciate our efforts in day in and day out. Please hit that subscribe button. Until we see you again, remain blessed. Thanks.